Remember last year I never went so well for you? That was a laugh. That was a laugh to Ratty. You couldn't faster than when you go. Oh good.
Beautiful peeps. Look at this, guys. Pear, ginger, plum, cocoa, breadfruit, white house plantain, lime or bogo lime. Okay, guys. Dozen and dozen of ackee. Guys, in the bush you go find them, you know. You see it? In the bush we go find them, my peeps. Very beautiful. Yeah, man. So one is the scripts in the peeps. So, yeah, guys, no black pepper. Okay, man,
Just crunchy pepper.
What a black pepper. Look at that.
Very beautiful, guys.
Beautiful. Yeah, man.
Out here again, you know? Line me up the papa. Yes, my peeps, guys, at it again, you know. Yes, man, you see something up in the road there, guys. See if you can get a one hit off of it. Go on again. If you mind people in the... Yes, sir. You see him? But we brave in our people them here.
Yeah, my peeps. Oh, the 9 bush of waste. White house, yeah?
A white house in here?
White house. I'm planting them.
You need to see a frog banana.
I don't know, people call them different, yeah.
Yes, my peeps, this is what nature give us.
Nature.
Pretty fruits. Here they are, guys.
Alright.
Yes, my peeps.
Peeps, we're down in the bush again, you know. Once again. Gonna do some bird shooting. Guys, we walk from we don't find no bird for peeps. Hey, you say with the far yard, guys, and I walk with the giant. Walk with a million miles from yard, my peeps. Yeah, guys, but you know, when one adventure get knocked, we turn it in our next thing. So you know what we do now. We are going to harvest some fruits, guys. We can't back a yard. I see we got breadfruit, we got cocoa, we got everything in the bush, and peeps. Yeah. I ain't gone. It's been peace. I'm going to pick a fly gun up the side of the don't know in turn. Yeah, man, you see them, man. Breadfruit like crazy, my peeps, yeah. And if you can't see them, breadfruit like crazy like tree.
My peeps, mosquito for Gizzard, so guys. Light one look of fire. My peeps, oh God. It's my peeps, you know, say smoke we run them, you know, guys. Now catch. Ah. Mosquito no love smoke, my people. Yes, man, see it there, you know. Gotta put some more thing. Want to say big up Vanessa and Michaela from Chilani. Yes, my piece. I see them the other day and them say, I love on your channel, guys. I like on your video them, I like on your content them. So big up on yourself and thank you for your support. Vanessa and Michaela. Big up on yourself. It's my piece, you look fairly. Me I feed you with all leaf. I don't really want fire now, guys, just the smoke. The smoke will do. You turn away mosquito then. From me make the fire, guys, I don't see one. Everybody lift up. People, we have some cocoa on the tree, guys. So we can pick that one, yeah. One we can reach. So guys, pick it. Okay, they mean for Alana, hurry.
We got food, guys. Four breadfruit. Are you kidding one?
I have 5, so one roll on this one.
Oh, 5 breadfruit, my peeps, and so.
Guys, I asked if I make a look when you come here, so no still breadfruit.
Breadfruit, yes, right.
Eh? Okay.
Right. Breadfruit,
Still breadfruit.
That's how it spell. That's still breadfruit.
Where that little
We come on a bird hunter when I find a bird. So we find fruits and food. So we are going to harvest so we can harvest and go in. You see it? The stay tuned, man. Jamaica VIBEZ fully active. Yes, maybe peace, a piece of heat. A piece of heat there. A mosquito. The place full of mosquito, guys. In the bush we are shoveling. We are doing in the bush with people. So.
Oh, my fire out.
Fire out. No mosquito kill we. Yes, guys, I'll see if we can find some Ackee and nest, you know. Because I say, you know, the bush are full of fruits, guys. So stay tuned.
Just my peep sample one of the banana, yeah, guys. They're no good.
I pick them off.
Some place we find an Ackee tree here in the wilderness. Lord, but some of them start spoil already. Few good ones depending.
That one is cold. Quick. Dirt, not pick them.
There's my peeps, the vase up in that tree there, no, guys.
Up in the tree. Not tree there, you can't catch it. Yes. Yeah, I want to know how far I can go in that tree.
How far can you go?
Then you go down low. Because the tree has grown.
Yes, my peeps survives that. Remember last time I never went so well for you? That was a laugh. That was a laugh to Ratty. You couldn't faster than when you go. Oh, good. Yes, my peeps, ginger that, you know, guys.
See,
well, are the first time when you say? Yes, my
Yes, my peeps. I come out of the bush here. We're not find a bird today. Yeah. Bag full of Ackee. Couple lime. Breadfruit in a bag here.
cocoa. Yeah.
All rare.
Banana.
Yeah, man. So my peeps, stay tuned. Stay tuned.
For the mad cook up, guys. You know, survive and Chevy always at it, guys.
Get that? My beautiful peeps, look at this, guys. Pear, ginger, plum, cocoa, breadfruit, white house plantain, lime or bogo lime. Okay, guys. Dozen and dozen of Ackee. Guys, in the bush you go find them, you know. You see it? In the bush we go find them, my peeps. Wait, a waste, because most of Ackee them even spoil, guys. You see it? Yeah, man, I spoke here. These are the all-time ginger in my peeps. Them have got more flavor than the normal ginger you see them sell in the supermarket. You know? You call them the all-time ginger. Yeah, man, all of them love them chocolate cat, guys. So we care them for them. You see, we got 4 nice breadfruit. We got roast or boil. What we are doing them breadfruit, baby?
Boil them.
Boil them? Oh, yeah, boil them.
With some dumpling.
And?
Dumpling, Ackee and Gizzard.
Dumpling, Ackee and Gizzard?
Yeah.
Alright, so.
Some crispy Gizzard, guys.
Jesus Christ. Crispy to the what? Buck.
Yes, my piece of stay tuned for that cook up there, guys.
Them. Oh God, I'm tired. I'm tired.
What do you mean? Red?
Hey, big.
Really?
Babes. You know far. You know far, I shovel walk go today, guys. Oh God, more than 10 miles.
How far? Where you come from?
About 10
far.
miles. Yeah, about 10 miles.
When I tell my piece, my foot the way. I'm running out of gas.
So I show them say, yo, listen, that because we big, I don't say we fit. But
no, not because you big.
Foot there. Eh? Straight for me foot. Eh? And we have fit people, my peeps. We fit. Fit. Yeah, man, we have to chat the earth. You see it? 4 call. 4 card we do my peeps. Yeah. Just stay tuned for you cook up, you know. Enough manners and respect. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Big up on yourself. Seafood and drinks. Big up yourself. Yeah, man.
Vanessa, Michaela.
Big up yourself.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, and as we say,
big up on yourself.
Jam Houston Adventures. Big up on yourself. Guys, remember, go up on his page, Jam Houston Adventure. Give him the love. Subscribe to his channel. Yeah, man. Great content him and Sharon put on over there. Big up on yourself. Enough manners and respect. Line. Oh, God. Junior lifestyle. You don't know. You don't know. Yes, my peeps. So we come back now. Set on a pot. You know what time it is? It be. Let's say a pot too big. Yeah.
It will be.
I make like pot alone guy cooking.
Why don't this
let me show why out it. Skin it out. Yeah.
Can you go look wider, you know?
Can you look wider?
Or the space on the table? Or go limited? That's okay.
Yes, my peeps. My Chevy done just come out of the bush, guys. Yeah, man, rain beat, guys. Rain fall. So we're there in the evening, my peeps. I'm going to do the right thing, as I know, you see it. So I say we pick the Ackee breadfruit. So you get some piece of yam there, everything. So we're going to do a different style of cook up today, guys. We couldn't do it at bush with them peeps. We couldn't do it at bush today. You understand? Whoa. So we have to just come back here and come do it quick and fast. Do the vlog and done it and do so. Big up on yourself. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man. Seafood and drink. Big up yourself. And remember your name, I tell them. So big up Jam Houston. Yeah, man. Jam Houston. Big up yourself every time. Junior spearfishing. Yeah, man. Jam Houston Adventure, guys. Remember, go over on the page. Show him the love. Like, comment, share, and please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Yeah, man. Yeah, I know we're to 4K. You don't know, surprise is there. You understand? So when we reach 4K, as we say, we are going on an adventure. Me and Chevel, I go up on a wicked adventure. we out in the jungle,
So
we
challenge us,
alone
guys.
at 2 days we want to go for. So we want to know comment and tell you what the basic necessity or the limited item we fi bring. You understand? And hotel we go, so we now pack no big bag. You understand, guys? We just go with a liquor bag and survival gears. You understand? So big up on yourself. And give guys, please donate to our PayPal now. That's we can buy certain things like medical kit. That's one of the main things we want to go on the survival hunting with. We want a medical kit. You understand? So I'm going to donate to our PayPal. The name on our PayPal is Cheville Warren. Yeah. Fair name, you know, not Jamaica vibes, but you don't know the vibes already. It's what I say. So you all know, guys. Big up on yourself. Love, manners, and respect. You see, Fernandez, big up on yourself. You understand? So let's get the show on the road now. Normal vibes before the rain come. Can I see it there?
It's coming.
Dark. Go here, guys. Pot full of water. But yeah, let's say a word. Some flowers. Alright, my peeps. So, this is some of the ackee now, guys. And all of the ackee we are cooked today. That's how we cook some. And most of them spoiled to my peeps. Yeah, I tell you the truth. Most of them spoiled. Put back 2 breadfruit. This is the right way. So we get 2 pieces of yam from my uncle. Yes, no man. Move the knife and I couldn't see what I go on, my peeps. Yeah, these are the ginger we dig yesterday. Yeah, man. As I say, guys, these are the old time ginger. These have more spice. I mean, they're more. Or even I say hash. Yeah, man, they are more hash. Chef Daddy, I line up the table, my peeps.
Yes, my peeps. We have yellow yam here.
Chef, you walk. Did I still up? Alright, my peeps. That is it, you know. Yeah, man, see flour, yeah? I cook breadfruit, I cook, eh?
Yeah.
2?
Just a cook 2.
I cook 1. Them people don't really like it. You can roast one.
I love my breadfruit.
Them people don't like it. Then too sweet.
Then
My peeps, them breadfruit are they sweet like sugar. Yeah man, they're sweet, bad my peeps. Peeps see Rasta man. Go and do back your voice. So as I say guys, big up all our supporter them. Subscribe to them. You understand? Yeah. Big up no know yourself now. Raquel McIntosh, Diane Banks, Antifia, long time when you find you know. Long from my phone mash up when you fire. I don't have your number again or anything. So if you watch a video, please shout us out on WhatsApp. Yeah, man. Anyone out of the 2 number. You're supposed to have a 2 number. Yeah, man. Or if you don't have a 2 number, go in the description. The other number in the description. Guys, the place I get dark. You know I get loud night. I get dark. I show you. Oh. Our area stay. Watch the cloud and move. I don't know if you can really see it. The sky. The cloud are move wicked in the sky and peeps. You see it? Come on. You see it? So we know so we're gonna have some serious rain, my peeps. We're gonna have some serious rain, so breeze are blow wicked too. So guys, we are guys, peace and breeze are blow. So yeah, we're not really race the pot. But we have to hurry up do what we are doing. You understand? So we are begging you. Stay. Alright, my peeps, you know what is this? This is some chicken gizzard. This is an ackee we are doing today. Ackee and gizzard. Alright, my peeps. So it's an ackee now. We are cooking at the bag, my peeps. You understand? Them ackee, them cook squishy, my peeps. Nah, tell you no lie, I kind of butter ackee them, but they don't cook firm. You understand? So when you see them, nobody feels we don't cook them firm. They don't cook firm.
I saw them stay.
Oh, I'm a wild ackee.
What kind of ackee?
Wild ackee.
Okay.
I'm saying I wild. So everything in that pot wild. flour, wild flour. We grow flour. Wild. Everything in that pot wild. And the chicken gizzard wild. Everything. Yeah, man.
It's my peas, powerhouse. Powerhouse.
Say,
Flour.
you know, say, I don't even power daddy. Fire. Go easier. You know what, with the fire, you get rink. So, through we are in the said level. But you know, soon start putting the back down on the low level. Yeah, man. Active game.
Yes, man.
You know how it move like.
The red pepper, the bright tea, man.
So, if that dish I mash, guys, I don't know where I don't mash it. I don't know why shovel give me flour for in a Pyrex dish. I know, so when I need flour and a baby flour.
No, man.
No, flour must stiff. You see it, flour must tough, man. Say, we are money, no man, a firm flour, we never. That is it. Yeah, man, then dumpling. That's a heavy dumpling. You see it?
Heavy duty.
Yeah, a dumpling that you need and can't need. As I say, I know dumpling them. Max, lift up fire, so please and thanks. Please.
Guys, look on fire.
Fire, please.
Fire active.
Fire, please, like, whoa.
Out and bad.
One thing I can't take dumpling them in this half, man.
Because if your dumpling supposed to can peel. Layer by layer.
That's a dumpling for it.
Ah.
All time dumpling them. Hey, we have one bridge named Mass Fed. R.I.P. Mass Fed. Make you so rest in peace. Yeah, did a good man. Hey, when that man make flour, you know want to, you know? And then they will curb. Yeah. So when that man say, oh, when I come and follow them, B, you check your chicken, you check your
Chicken
best dress.
Soft.
And the man you don't pressure it.
Come on for really enjoyable, you know.
Hey, the man does a cook you up within scallion. What if a scallion night? I'm there and say, who there?
So if you eat, wait,
You lick off the meat off of the bone, man.
if you mean you must spread your heart.
Yeah, I do hide down there. No one say,
They don't say food
by
today.
5 o'clock in cook. Yeah.
You time the pot.
Yeah. I don't, I'm bridging them house, sir.
Oh.
You don't know, so we always down there. What time you pot, man? What's when you go play football match and come back in? Yeah.
I see.
And that's everything, man. Load. That's it. Yes, my peeps. Big up to all of the dumpling massive, them, you know? I know everybody love dumpling, you know that already.
Yeah.
Rice. Like Shovel like rice fans, my peeps. Rice head.
Yeah, I love the rice. Easy cooking.
Rice couldn't not cook for me, but rice and peas, I love rice and peas. Yeah. And they said the peas, the split peas they use are the eye. Sick! Yeah, man, my peeps. Let's stay tuned here. Alright.
How much that's so far? 6? 7?
I don't know.
Smoke have you away though.
I'm just shaking me. Don't know why smoke have me. I'm back it,
Swim pitch.
Gone, man.
That gone home. I'll go home.
Gone up to yonder. Yes, no man. That is it, my peeps.
Find the pot tail. You know, you dumpling them stick.
But that is something now. People say it was soft still, because see they start mush out right now.
Normally, more time you go out and buy Ackee, it's soft, see
Mush
way.
out, yeah. But I don't like it.
You have to take them one by one.
Yeah, I don't like it with it. Original yam, you know. This is an Shilani yam, this, no? Oh, yeah, man. How are this? A Manchester yam?
Manchester yam.
You know, you look like you well fit now, you know. Yeah, kid.
Because the kid don't look like in their mother.
I may have done
Look like
some
in them
more.
somewhere else.
And look how far the mother there.
Yes, my peeps. The good old brushy.
Brushy. I said the smoke. Guys, when you hear the rain. Look. I set up
The pan vibe struck me peeps. See damp.
Yeah, man. I set up alcohol rain. One piece of want to look at something quick and fast over here.
Breadfruit didn't look fit.
Yeah, holla. Like, look at what kid.
I say breadfruit fit, we can roast one.
Yeah, I might say left one for us.
Food for days.
Yeah, man, dumpling.
Brochet.
Big pot style today. Big pot. Alright here, my peeps. Right way. Yeah, that is it. That is it.
And the rain coming again.
Yeah, the rain. Come the power, I can't hide it. Max, not like that, Max.
Yes, my peeps, we cook one breadfruit not the pot. So I slash the bottom of this one, so I go roast it under the pot.
You see it?
Yes, good man.
Food a boil up, my peeps. See, eh? Yeah, man. What a bubble in a trouble. Yes, my peeps. Just a few before them they're ready. Auntie Chevy daddy has to cut up some seasoning.
Yes, man. Onion. We have a piece of ginger, pepper, and a piece of basil mint. You want brush here, you guys?
Yeah, man, the food cooked now, my peeps. So, I'll take off this guys and set on the frying pan. See it? And get the meat on the road. We going on the road. Hey, now why you looking at me like that? Yes, guys, we did take out the Ackee. Take out the Ackee. I'm telling you, guys, the Ackee firm, kind of squishy. So stay tuned, my peeps.
When Vibes and Chevy in the kitchen, I'm at you know, guys.
Alright, my peeps.
Cut it up in
Chevy
pieces,
cut up the gizzard them guys. They want me now guys and just come out of the pot. Could them man fuck up the screen now. Yes, my peeps. Yeah. Avocado. Avocado, my peeps. Yes, man. Cut it up, Chevy. Nobody eat it off. Guys, we pre-cook them. We pre-cook them, my peeps. So. Yeah, man. So, guys, we have to put out a little chapel over our head. Because the rain. Listen, my peeps, we can't go no bush now, telling the honest truth. We can't go nowhere now, because with the rain season and the lightning are like wicked. So guys, we know say we want to put out the content in phone, you know, but then again, we have to know say, yo, our safety come first, said we. You understand? Because it don't make sense you out there in the bush, guys, and lightning a flash and we have no shelter. You understand? I make the rain season pass off. I'm soon see you back out in the adventure. Not say a word, man. Big up on yourself. If you know support and we understand, you see it. So listen, guys, near and far, all and new. Big up on yourself. Respect on Jamaica vibes, fully active. Big up. So yes, my peeps, we set on the Dutch there, you know? Yes, man. So that we're gonna fry up with gizzard also, you know, peeps. Chevy one brush here go and roast. You say Chevy daddy go and do the right thing.
Cut them up in bits and pieces.
Alright. Gizzard for days. Yeah, man. We are fry them crisps, my peeps. You know? Yes, my peeps, alright? As me say no guys, remember say this are the
Gizzard.
Gizzard. So I throw them in a. Why you don't carry treat it for a couple of
Give me next one. Give me next one.
See what a normal part them can do. Every way me go fire, follow me. Every way me go fire me feet. Yes, guys, as me say, want it crispy. Want it crispy little bit me feet. You understand? You see it so. Make it fry up, then me put the Ackee knife. You know what I mean?
No.
You see that, my peeps? Guys, remember, you know, gizzard tough. But when you cook it, you're not tough. We never have to cook in them peeps. Honestly, we never have to cook it. You see it? Look at that. Look how beautiful that is, peeps. Very beautiful. Yeah, man. So one is just scripts in the peeps. cribs, not too max. Peeps, so I put in the seasoning now. Yeah, man. Put in the pepper, ginger in it, them peeps. Yeah, man. Scallion and the onion, and as you say, the sweet bag. Woo! Hey, the heat and everything. Wicked, man, peeps. Wicked, man. I'm not going to say I'm not pepper. Wicked. Wow. Pepper, turn up.
Yeah, put next 2 pieces in there.
Amen. I don't want pepper. I don't want the pepper. I just love the flavor of the pepper. Alright. That is it. That is it. Yeah. Right, the peeps, I don't know what time it is, guys. You don't have no tomato. Don't have no tomato. The fire I make me play TikTok.
Yeah, send Max to shop, go buy.
That was shiny, so guys, I put in the ackee to this now. Yeah, man. So from this cooking on peeps, as I said, the ackee cook already, and the ackee kind of mushy, but the type of ackee, understand? And I cook it too long or empty.
Wow.
That is it. That is what?
That is it.
This is a heat at my hand. Yes, my feet. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at the beauty. Look at the beauty in this. Guys, you always got so abnormal menu. Yeah, man. Got them right, you know? This is an experiment for your food. Yeah, my peeps, you see it? Like a jerk seasoning panny. You understand? You want to get to the real way, guys. No black pepper. Okay, man, the
Just crunchy pepper.
What a black pepper. Look at that, dude.
Very beautiful, guys.
Beautiful. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Yes, no, man. The heat, keep up on it. That is it. Honey. Yeah. I'm gonna say vibes on this. Yeah, man, that is the outcome. That is it. Yes, my peeps, I don't know what time it is. Food for days. That's my talk now. That's my talk. You got it?
Yeah, I had milk.
Tell them. Guys, Gizzard and Ackee. Try that one, please. Try that one. Have it on.
Tastes good, man.
Yes, my peeps, as I say, the food are active.
The whole family is here, guys. Max there.
Everybody there.
Cat is here.
Already.
They are making noise.
Ali, see them playing there for the bed. Tap your puss, man. Hey, let you sit down lean, you know. Ali, take it on, man.
You see, Alana saying I cut no dumpling today.
And get them and can't cut in them bed. B,
Yeah.
the breadfruit alone.
This one tastes good.
The breadfruit, nice.
They're sweet. I know I'm not touching dumpling yet, you know.
This one tastes good.
My food taste, guys.
Yeah,
Are you right here?
The breadfruit, sit down at the Ackee. Guys, you know it's back to school, so most of the times you're not gonna see Alana and Harry on the vlogs.
The dumpling solid as a rock.
Hallelujah to the lamb.
Yeah, the food are nice, really nice. That is it. Max, it's going to get you.
And it gizzard go well with it. Go well with the Ackee.
So you gizzard them a peeps.
Look like a hitty make for the Ackee.
Try. Pass your food, my peeps.
It's my peeps.
Ali. My food.
Good.
Alice, that's some terrible bite. Like you dumpling now. Guys, look. I'm gonna feast some again. I'm gonna further. Yes, guys, Jamaica eat with spoon here. Yeah. I will not touch for your food yet. Guys, I can't manage your ounce more. Are you going good man? You see, Harry, but wicked be. Yeah. Then Harry.
No, Harry, but you're by yourself.
Okay. Oh, don't frighten me. Over the same body, over the same current.
Over the same battery.
Look, Allah, he's up on you. I'll be a 4 and 6.
And a little finger.
How the food, Mama Bear?
Nice.
Nice. Yeah, right. So you don't want to, you know, I'm not a classmate, them you want to big up? The classmate, them we are big up in their class.
Big up.
Look at that camera and tell her. We have to go.
Big up Kristen.
Kristen.
Yeah.
Alright. Kristen, make Kristen know say yo, watch Jamaica vibes now and know.
Big up Tiana and Caprice.
Tiana and Caprice. Alright. Look at
And
that camera and say
Amelia.
hi Tiana, hi Caprice.
Hi Tiana, hi Caprice.
Alright. We are big up for our school.
And Tamir.
Over. Big up Michaela and Vanessa.
Vanessa.
Yeah.
Alright.
From Chilani.
Alright. You belly full? Alright, Harry say our belly full, my peeps. You know, cause guys, me left my food yesterday. Guys, a pure water, we don't want it. I want to not eat that bad, but I want the water. Alright, my peeps, so as me I say now guys, this is one thing I love when I know say yo, we cook and the family enjoy and we know say yo, we have a nice time. We go hunt guys, a wild food them, you understand? We go bush my peeps. We go hunt bird and we come back with breadfruit, pear,
Plum.
ackee, plum,
Ginger.
cocoa, ginger, and what else?
Lemon.
Lemon and tiredness. And lemon them no mix it lad. Lemon say they no mix. So guys, sorry about that. More spoil, big up yourself. And as me say now guys, may I say it again and again. Jam Houston Adventure. You see it, I want to know, go over him page, I want to know, show him the love. Jamaica Adventure said we, I want to know, give him the love. Life with Orentha. Guys, please, give her the love. You understand me? I say, Ricardo Adventure. Please, show him the love, said we. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Bring them up to Ackee. You understand? Yeah, man, please, do it for me. You understand? Enough respect and manners. Respect. See you in the next one, though. Oh.